Well, Tower 564, Hotel Victor on the GPS Yankee runway 27 approach.
November 564 Hotel Victor Lumber Tower. Traffic in position was 260 at 10, runway 27, clear to land.
All right, clear to land 27, 4 Hotel Victor.
Southwest 2493 Lumber Tower. Traffic 5 mile final, winds 250 at 11, runway 27, line up and wait.
27 left way, Southwest 2493.
Southwest 2895, turn left at Bravo 8, taxi spot 1, contact ramp tower 129.77. Good day.
Hey, Bravo 8, taxi to spot 1 and over to ramp tower for Delta 2895.
Afternoon, Lumber Tower, Alaska 772, 9.5 back, RMP Mike 27.
Alaska 772 Lumber Tower, winds 250 at 10, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, Alaska 772. That's one to verify.
0 Alpha Lumber Tower, you'll be number 4 for departure. I do have an amendment to your altitude. Advise ready to copy.
Outside block.
November 2110 Alpha Lumber Tower, I have an amendment to your departure. Advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy, 10 Alpha.
I'll verify 4 Hotel Victor, still clear to land.
Fly heading 275, correction, just fly the published missed approach.
Say again?
Citation 4 Victor Hotel, go around, fly the published missed approach.
All right, going around 4 Hotel Victor. Tower Southwest 2493.
Southwest 2493 Limburg Tower, exit the runway, right turn at Charlie 2, all the way on to Charlie, please.
Roger. And reasoning?
There's traffic on a 2 mile final behind you.
Okay, we are exiting on the, taking the right exit, Charlie 2, Southwest 2493.
Citation 4 Victor Hotel, contact Christian, just remain frequency for a moment.
All right, we'll stay with you.
Southwest 2493, 1 able, hold short, runway 27 at Charlie 1.
Hold short 27, Charlie 1, Southwest 2493.
You still want us with you for 564 Hotel Victor?
4 Hotel Victor, contact SoCal 119.6.
196 for Hotel Victor.